learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we're learning about 差不多. First, let's watch an animation about the word 差不多.
这两件衣服款式和颜色差不多。
差不多是把东西放到一起比较吗？
差不多在这里是相差不大，几乎一样的意思。
我明白了。
A few minutes later.
时间差不多了，我们该回家了。
这一次你说的差不多是什么意思？
这里是指时间快要到了。
我明白了，差不多可以形容事物相近，也能表示接近某个状态。
没错，它还可以用来表示数量、水平相接近。
我们俩的中文水平差不多。
完全正确。
Today, we will learn the real meanings and common usages of 差不多 in daily Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together.
差不多，差不多，差不多。
The Chinese word 差不多 is widely used in daily conversations. It mainly means almost, nearly, or quite similar. Now let's learn different usage scenarios. First scenario, 长得差不多. Let's read it 3 times together. 长得差不多，长得差不多，长得差不多，长得差不多 means look almost the same. We use it to describe people's appearance or the look of objects. Second scenario, 价格差不多. Let's read it 3 times together. 价格差不多，价格差不多，价格差不多，价格差不多 means the prices are about the same. People often say this when shopping. Scenario 3, 时间差不多了. Read with me 3 times. 时间差不多了，时间差不多了，时间差不多了。The meaning of 时间差不多了 is it's nearly time. We use it before leaving or starting something. Scenario 4, 做得差不多了. Let's read it 3 times together. 做得差不多了，做得差不多了，做得差不多了，做得差不多了 means it's almost finished. It is used for work, meals, and other tasks. Scenario 5, 能力差不多. Read it 3 times with me. 能力差不多，能力差不多，能力差不多。The meaning of 能力差不多 is their abilities are on the same level. We use it to talk about people's skills. To sum up, 差不多 can describe appearance, price, time, work, and ability. It shows there is only a small difference between things. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 差不多. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.